what's up? My name is Nuyan and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. I create a new hair tutorial and I hope you like the video. Today I cut a buzz cut skin fade and make sure to watch the video to the end to see the transformation. I hope you like it. First of all, I used my War Magic clip with a number 4 guard, it's 13mm, and shorted his top hair. I intentionally took a longer number of millimeters so as not to make the mistake of cutting too short. After that, I used also my War Magic clip with the number 3 guard, it's 10mm, and shorted his top hair again. And then we create the perfect length of his top hair. I often go over his head, so I don't forget hair to be safe, buddies. Now we can start to create the fade. At first I take my number 2 guard, it's 6mm, on my War Magic clip cordless, lever close to have a good base to fading. I began from the left side to the head and the neck and then to the right side. The next step, I create my first guard line with my War Magic clip cordless. No guard, lever closed. A good tip from me, always use a hairbrush, so you can brush all the little hair away. It also can make you a really fast progression to fading. Here you can see I use my Braun Series 9 shaver to trim away the tiny stubble under the first guard line. Don't use the trimmer like a machine, because if you do that, you create a new hairline and it's very difficult to blending. The next good tip is move your shaver in slightly circular movements. If you do that, you don't make new lines. Give it a try, it is really helpful and therefore saves you more time. The next step, I take my War Magic clip with the number 1 guard, it's 3mm, lever open and use the down fade technique. I blend the 1 into the 2. The best is when you cut with your clipper in a C motion of his head. So it is better to blend and don't create new lines. Now I change the lever into closed and use the same technique, but I'm not going too high from the first guard line. The reason is because I don't want to create new lines. Here it is also important to cut in a C motion from his head.
NVD.
Here I used my War Magic clip cordless, no guard, lever trigger play. Why trigger play? This step is for the most people really hard to blend into the fade, for example from 0 to 6 mm. I use this word because in this step I can say to you, okay, now you cut with a lever closed, then open. That's not correct, buddies. You must play with the lever. It's okay when you start with the lever closed, then change the lever into a half and then into open. But the key is, you have to develop a feeling for it. At same point, you will understand why. You have to work a lot with your eye, because only you can see if the first guard line was blended or not. Now this step is also very important. I use my War Magic Clip cordless 0.5 guard. It's 1.5 mm lever trigger play. Here I work for the details. I make 2 steps back from his head to see the haircut from other position. It's really helpful to see the fade. And also you can see dark areas, and then you have to do the work and blending. So for the contour, I use my Andy Slimline Pro Li trimmer. It's for me one of the best and sharpest clipper in this industry. Here I create a hairline and slightly into a seam form.
NVD.
At the highest point of the profile area, the hair was still too long, and that's why I take my War Magic Clip cordless 1.5 guard, it's also 4.5 mm lever trigger play, and cut it a little bit shorter and softer. My client wants a cool side cut, and at the beginning I use my Andy Slimline Pro Li trimmer and cut the line first. It makes it easier for the next step with my razor. Here I cut the line with the razor. Please make sure that you stretch the skin a little bit, so that you don't hurt your customer, because the razor is sharper than you think. This is especially true for the beginners of you out there who are watching the video. Yeah buddies, this was the cut. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, feel free to leave a like and write your opinion in the comment section below. Buddies, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to don't miss any more videos in the future. I wish you maximum success in implementing, and stay healthy guys. We will see you again in the next video. Cheers!
Space coupe body, you ain't just my honey, yeah. High like Cardi, Playboy in this bunny, yeah. Bella Hadid, fucking on me, better on me. Tokyo streets, is it love? Shawty, is it love? Shawty, you're my first lady, yeah, you're my Take my glasses off. I can get a